Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, tape edges, lay a drop cloth, and put on a respirator and goggles. Shake the can 1 to 2 minutes until the mixing ball rattles. This ensures even pigment. Hold the can 8-12 inches from the wall and press the nozzle with a smooth, steady motion. Move your arm, not your wrist. Spray slightly past the edge of the area to avoid heavy buildup. Once done, inspect the test patch and adjust distance or nozzle pressure before continuing. Now you concentrate on control. Apply 2 to 3 light coats rather than one heavy coat, waiting 60 to 90 seconds between passes so solvents flash off. Use 50% overlap on each pass to create an even finish, and keep that 8-12 inch distance to prevent orange peel or runs. Feather the beginning and end of each stroke with short bursts and move at a consistent speed. If the surface is porous, prime first. Otherwise, keep layers thin until full coverage is achieved. You finish by letting the paint cure. Follow the can for tack time, then allow 24 to 48 hours before heavy use so solvents evaporate and film hardens. If you see runs, wait until tack-free, sand the runs smooth with fine grit, then recoat lightly. For orange peel or texture issues, wet sand 1000 to 2000 grit and polish. If mottling appears, make sure temperature and humidity meet label recommendations. If not, allow the surface to dry and respray under correct conditions.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.